Hi, this is Emma with OrderMaxx, and today we're going to be taking a look at the membership form token. This token works with information in our membership form module to build different membership plans and display them on a page. We can create up to any number of these plans, which customers can purchase directly through the site. Taking a closer look, I'm going to go ahead and access our modules. And heading down to the membership module, these settings provide your token with information and functionality. Once your module settings are ready to go, we can head over to the page manager. Let's go ahead and click on the page where our token is currently active. Tokens can be dropped into any page on your site. To do so, simply select the membership plan token from this menu on the left. Clicking on one of these automatically drops it into the page, and that's all it takes to set up. The token allows us to instantly update our page so that a change in the module is reflected here. As with all our other tokens, the page framework is compatible with mobile browsers. This framework can be customized by adding further style sheets to your OrderMaxx site, allowing you to design a unique site and user experience while keeping the functionality. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about this and our many other products, you can visit us online at www.ordermaxx.com.